Hello and thank you for watching this video. We're gonna take a look at this Good Lumens indoor light. It's a pendant and this one is in chrome, 16 inches in diameter. It only uses 24 watts because it has LEDs inside. Okay, so here are what's included in the box. Nicely put in here the instructions. Use and care. Tools needed. The list of what's included. It looks like a simple installation, a couple of screws here, wire it, hang it, and then perhaps make it shorter or leave it as tall as it is here. So let's take a look. So here's the hardware. It has the screws, what you need so this can hang in your house. Okay, so we don't need this right now. So it looks pretty cool. It looks very shiny. It has, this is made out of acrylic. It comes very nicely packaged because you don't want to put all your fingertips on here. Not unless you're all done and installed. And like I was mentioning, all you need is the bracket so you can put it on your socket, and then you can pull these strings that hold the pendant. Right now, this is the length that he has right now. It's not much, but you have this extra string so you can pull it so you can make it longer. And all you do is you push this in a little bit and then you pull. This wire is covered with plastic, so it's very nice. And you cannot see the LED lights, but I'm gonna put a picture of what it looks like while it's on. But just right now as it's off, it looks very nice. And it measures close to 16 inches. And about 2.5 inches tall. Looks very nice.